Senator Kiko Pangilinan wants those who attended the birthday party of NCRPO Chief Major General Debold Sinas arrested for quarantine violations. Pangilinan stressed those who attended the gathering should be charged for violating quarantine protocols. PNP Chief Police General Archie Gamboa has ordered a probe following allegations social distancing rule and ban on mass gatherings were ignored. There will be no more social gatherings for policemen. Cops will also need to strictly follow protocols.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.